All right, so looking at number 1, I have this equation right here. And if I am going to get x by itself, I want to move this 5 first over to the other side. So let's take a look at what Emma did. Emma, she realized that she had to move the 5 over, so she divided 5 on both sides. That's odd, because this is not being multiplied on anything. It's just a 5 hanging out there. So really what you should have done is subtracted 5 to both sides. So let's calm down and take a look at what Ben did. So it looked like Ben distributed this negative here. The stylus is not doing very well right now. It looks like he distributed that negative. So then it left him with 5 minus x minus 2 equals 15. And then he's going to combine like terms and get the x by itself. But, so will they get the same answer if the rest of their work is correct? And how would you know? No, they would not get the right answer because Emma messed it up in step 1. She divided by 5 instead of subtracting by 5, so they will not get the same answer because Emma did not follow her order of operations.